Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive, latest and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyle, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and very attractive ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and so attractive eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, some ideas funky colors, and so attractive collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women in low maintenance you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, and please support me, support my channel. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.